Well, I've just had a fabulous fly. It's Sunday afternoon and it's incredibly drafty. I've used one of my, that's one of my original wings, and you can see I've got ailerons, but they're inboard right up in here. The original intention was to make them Flaperons. However, just as a little bit of an experiment, I decided to, I think it's one of the advantages of building something out of foam, I guess. I decided to get one of my wings, because I've produced a few, and chop it about somewhat. And I've just had my fly. It's incredibly windy here at the moment, which makes flying very difficult. But I must report positively on the modification to my aeroplane. I've just landed it actually, and what I've done is I've taped up the ailerons, or they were going to be Flaperons. I've just taped them solid, and the servos are not connected. And I've fitted, using another pair of servos and some foam board, fitted proper ailerons out on the wingtips. And you know, it's pretty obvious really when you get right down to it, but you've got a control surface, and it's a greater distance from the centre of your centre of gravity and the port and starboard sense. Then you've got a whole heap of extra leverage out here, which makes your aileron controls much more sensitive. And even though it's blowing quite lustily here at the moment, it made control of the aircraft a dozen times better. And I'll put another battery in, and we'll have another fly. So anyway, that's an improvement. Get back to you later. Spot you later.